Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Middle Ventures, and today I am up with a new video. So let us start without wasting any time. This is the explanation of conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers. So we all are aware of the decimal and binary numbers. Decimal numbers are numbers from 0 to 9. So 0 has not been included here. So 0 to 9 numbers are called decimal numbers, and the numbers which include only two numbers like 0 and 1 are called binary numbers. Okay. So we are going to learn how to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers, and we must remember one thing, that the base of decimal numbers is 10 and the base of binary numbers is 2. So we can write this as, for example, we have a decimal number 2, then we can write its base 10 like this. Okay. And if we are taking any binary number, for example 0, then we have its base as 2, and we can write it as a subscript like this. Okay. I hope it would be clear to all of you. Now let us move further and learn how to convert decimal number into binary numbers. Okay, so now we are to learn that how to convert decimal number into binary number. So for example, we are going to take any random decimal number. Let us take 65. I have taken this number 65 because it is the ASCII code of A. Okay, you would have heard that, capital A, in your computer classes. Even if you have not, then I am going to inform you that 65 is the ASCII code of the character capital A. So now let us learn how to convert this 65 into binary number. So we are going to do something similar to prime factorization. Okay, actually not very similar but close to it. Here we are only to divide it by 2 again and again, repeated division by 2 until it is not 0. So for the first time we are going to divide it by 2. The result will be 3 2 3s are 6, and here 2. 1 will be left out as remainder, which will be written over here like this. Then we are again going to divide it by 2. So it will come like 2 1s are 2. 1 will be left out, will be added to this, and it would be 6s are 12. Here the remainder would be 0. Please note that we are required to write these remainders because this is our answer. Okay. Then we are again going to divide it by 2. So it will go like 2 8s are 16. The remainder here is again 0. Then we are again going to divide it by 2, and our result will be 4, and the remainder would be 0 again. Then one more time divide by 2, we get here 2, and remainder is again 0. Then one more time, second last actually, we are going to divide it by 2. The answer is 1 and remainder is 0. Then after 1 we need to divide it one more time by 2, so that we get the remainder as, I'm writing it here because there is no space left. So the answer would come like 0. Okay, and the remainder would be 1. So we are required to divide it until we get this 0. Okay, so we are here and we have got a term 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. Now, one thing that we need to keep in our mind is that we have to write this number from down to up, means bottom up. So we are, although we can say that the number here from top to bottom and bottom to up are same, but it may create problem if we are going to write it from top to down in other numbers. Okay, so we are going to write it as the first one is 1. So first of all we will write here 1, second is 0, then third is 0, then fourth is again 0, fifth is again 0, and sixth is again 0, and then finally 1 again. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4 and then 5. So here we have our binary number. So if you want more example, then we are going to solve one more. So now I am going to take any other random number, for example 75. Okay, so 75 we need to factorize it, or we could say by 2 only, repeated division by 2. So for the first time it would be, when divided by 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14. The remainder left would be 1 here. Then again dividing it by 2, we get 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. The remainder we get here is again 1. Then we are again going to divide it by 2. We get the answer as 2 9s are 18. The remainder this time is 0. Then again dividing it by 2, we get 4s are 8 and the remainder here is 1 this time. Finally dividing it by 2 again, then 2 2s are 4, remainder left is 0. One more time dividing it by 2, we get here 1 and the remainder here is 0 again. Then finally for the last time dividing it by 2, we get the remainder 0. The result 0 and the remainder 1. So this is our binary number, and we need to travel from down to up like this. So our binary number is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. I hope it would be clear to all of you, and we can write it with the base 2 and 75 with the base 10. Okay, usually this 10 is omitted because this is understood, but we write this 2 sometimes because so that it is not misunderstood for a decimal number. Okay, so I hope you have got a clear-cut idea about decimal and binary number conversion. So if you have any doubt, then please don't forget to ask me in the comment section below. And if you want me to make a conversion video of binary to decimal, then please do comment below and I'm going to make a video very soon. And stay tuned with me and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and come back here for the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.